Hi beautiful yogis, welcome to Yogicas channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are exploring happy baby pose, and this is also called Ananda Balasana. This is a playful, soothing posture that releases tensions from the hips. It calms the nervous system and it reconnects with your ease and joy. We will also bring in chakra awareness and powerful affirmations to deepen the experience. So this is a very restorative posture, and it opens the hips, it lengthens the spine and brings a sense of release through the entire body. To start, lie comfortably on your back, draw your knees towards your chest and reach for the outer edges of the feet. Gently open the knees wider than the torso and press your feet upward as you draw your knees down towards the floor. Keep the spine long, tailbone heavy and shoulders soft. And just stay in that pose, eyes are closed. And as you hold this pose, allow your body to sink deeper into relaxation. This pose offers beautiful benefits. It deeply opens the hips, inner thighs. It releases tension from the lower back and sacrum. It is very calming for our nervous system, and it also encourages emotional release stored in the hips. And we are also supporting flexibility and mobility in the pelvic area, and bringing a sense of playfulness, comfort and ease. And if you want, you can gently move yourself and rock side to side with comforting massage for the lower back. If not, otherwise just stay in that pose and relax. We are working with the Root Chakra, our Muladhara. This is located at the base of the spine. This is our center for grounding, safety and stability. We are also working with Svadhisthana chakra. It's located in the pelvis area. Center works with creativity, emotions and overall energy flow in our bodies. So just enjoy and affirm, I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported, my body is allowed to rest. I release, I let go, I forgive, I forget. I radiate blessings to everyone. I release all tension from my body. I release all emotions that no longer serve me from my body. I honor myself with softness and compassion. Joy moves freely through me. With each breath I soften. I let go of heaviness and return to ease. My body knows how to relax and heal. I welcome peace into my hips and belly and heart. I surrender into comfort and calm. Happy baby pose reminds us to soften, play and let go. So return to this pose anytime you need grounding, comfort or emotional release. I hope you enjoyed this and have a beautiful day. Bye.